Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I do my quick and easy wash and go using only 2 products. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jody. This is a fitness and fashion focused channel where I show you luxury items but also some affordable alternatives. I also post 6-minute workout videos that you can do from the comfort of your own home using no equipment. If you like that kind of content and you would like to be a fit fashionista, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload new videos. I do upload videos several times per week, so please stay in the know. Alright, back to today's video. We're gonna do a wash and go. So this is my hair right now. I do a wash and go once a week, so my last one was 1 week ago and I just refresh with water daily. So I'm about to start over. So this is what I'm working with. I'm going to first wash my hair. I will be using the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil shampoo and conditioner, or the other way around. Shampoo and conditioner. These are the 34-ounce bottles. I buy them at Costco. They are about $17 each. That is the best deal you will find on these. This is a great product. It's very moisturizing. The shampoo doesn't dry your hair out or anything, so I like to use this. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair and put it into about 10 large sections, and I will start the product and the curl defining process. I will start the curl defining process from there. So this is part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Also, I did a facial today and I'm still wearing the mask, so I probably should have mentioned that earlier where I'm looking like a gremlin. I will share my skincare routine and this mask with you in another video, so look out for that. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright everyone, time for step 2. So I've washed my hair, I shampooed and conditioned. While the conditioner was in, I made these sections. I believe I have 8. 4 on each side. They're very rough, no parts in or anything like that. Just 8 very rough sections to work with because it will be easier to get your curl and control your hair if it's in smaller parts. A lot of the times we approach 4C hair and we have it just big and dense and it's really difficult to do and you get frustrated and overwhelmed. So it's always better to just section it out first. I like to do my sectioning in the shower with the conditioner in because it's easier to detangle. Let me show you what I've done. So to detangle, I used this blue comb and this, it's one of those brushes with the, like that. I will link a couple items like this in the description below. And so that's what I've done to detangle. So I won't be combing or detangling anymore. I'm very comfortable with where it's at right now. Things you will need. A few sectioning clips, and the 2 products we'll be using, which are the Eco Styler Curl and Wavy. So this one is the Curl and Wave. It's in the pink jar. This is what I use, and I'm also going to use the Shea Moisture Hydrate Plus Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. This is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt. Let's see. There we go. So these are the 2 products that I will be using for my wash and go. And also a spray bottle of water because your hair needs to stay wet in order for the curls to be defined. Now, sometimes I skip the leave-in conditioner and only use water and Eco Styler, but your hair will be dry the 2nd day. And I have color treated hair now, so moisture is very, very important. So I highly recommend you use both a leave-in and the Eco Styler for softer curls and for just healthier hair. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna go section by section. I'll show you the first couple, then I'll speed things up, and then I'll show you the end result. So first thing you're going to do, I'm just going to untwist my first section, and I'm going to get my spray bottle, and I'm going to spray. You need to have soaking wet hair in order to get a nice curl. What activates curly hair or natural hair is actually water, so don't be stingy with your water, okay? So spray with your water. You're gonna get a nice texture like that. Then you're going to use your leave-in conditioner. Put that on, or you could just spray it to your hands and then apply. You want to go roots to ends. You can see my hair is very detangled already. That's why it's important to detangle in the shower with your conditioner in. Also, the overall time this will take is about 15 minutes or so. If you do smaller sections, it could take you longer, but that's on average. All right, so after you put in your leave-in conditioner, you get the Eco Styler gel. Also, I like this pink one because it's softer on the curls, but you can pretty much use any Eco Styler that works well for your hair. So you're gonna get a nice portion of Eco Styler, don't be stingy. And you're just going to start to apply it to your hair. Just work the product in, roots to ends. You can do the prayer hands, make sure it gets on. You can get some more water. And a little bit more Eco. Now your hair might have a slightly white appearance while it's wet, but it will dry clear or not have any residue. At least these two products together don't leave any residue for me, and that's why I like them. But everybody's hair is different, so you just have to kind of figure out what it is that your hair likes. So what I'm doing now, I've already put in my product. I'm starting to divide my hair into little sections as to where the curl wants to fall. You just want to run your fingers through it and let the curls do their thing. All right, you can see the curls are starting to come in. I am going slower for the purpose of this video, but I will speed things up in just a bit. All right, so step 1, spray with water. Step 2, hydrate with your leave-in conditioner. Step 3, lock in the curl pattern with your Eco Styler gel. First, apply your leave-in conditioner, work it all the way through. Really kind of press it into the hair. That will help the product to dissolve and help to prevent that white residue. And then you get a healthy portion of your Eco Styler gel. And go ahead and apply that. Then you start to break it down into smaller pieces and just use your fingers in a kind of a rake with your fingers so that you can work them through and start to separate the curls into individual ringlets. And there you have it, guys. 15-minute wash and go. Don't let anybody tell you that your 4C hair cannot be beautiful and curly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to let my hair air dry. I prefer air drying just because I get a softer curl. It might still be wet tonight. Actually, it will be wet tonight. What I will do, those 8 sections that we started with, I'm going to make them again, but with my hair as it is, right? So keeping the products in and everything, I will make 8 twists again, put on my silk bonnet, and that is how I will sleep. Tomorrow I will take the twist out, spray it with some water to reactivate, and I will get it back looking exactly like this. And I'll keep doing that for 7 days, and then I'll wash again. You only need water to refresh. You don't have to buy those fancy refresher things or curl refreshing spray and all that. Water is good enough. Once you've used your product to set the curl, that's all you need to keep on refreshing. At some point your hair might start to dry out or the curls might start to look less defined. You can just add more product. That's your Eco Styler gel and your leave-in conditioner, and spray with water, and that should keep you going. At some point I might make an updo. So I'll put my hair up all around, make a puff using one of those stretchy band things, and I'll wear it as a puff. So lots of little versatile things that you can do. All right, this was our first wash and go video. I will make more for you. If you have any questions or if there was a section that you would like more details on, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if there's anything else hair related, natural hair, actually I'm getting sister locks soon, guys. Stay tuned for that journey. But if there's anything else I can help you with, please let me know. Leave it in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video, subscribe, like, and let's chat in the comments. Let's talk natural hair. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Please check out the description for all the links to everything I used today, as well as links to other videos that I have made that you might also find useful. Until next time, guys, keep on keeping on, fit fashionistas.